In this EXModel tutorial, we will talk about trim under the 2D sketch. First, I'll create a 2D sketch by using the 2D sketch tool. So here's the outline of the slicing plane. I'll create a simple sketch by holding down my Shift key and drag select the area of the outline. Next, I will click the arc and click the Convert to Circle tool to convert it to a circle. Then I want to create another circle using the Add Circle tool by clicking the center of the circle and choose 1 point. I want to delete the constraints here. Next, I want to draw a line on the circle. To trim the sketch, you want to use the Trim tool. You can click, hold the left mouse button, and move the mouse to start the trim. You can lift your mouse in the middle of the trim process. You can move. You can zoom in and zoom out. Then you can restart the trim operation by click and hold the left mouse button and move your mouse. You can also trim any sections in the sketch. First, I'll delete all the sketch I made. So I will start making another circle here. And I'll make another circle. I want to delete the constraint by hit the delete button. I want to draw several lines here. I want to make another circle. So to trim, I want to use the trim tool. So first, I want to click and hold the left mouse button to start trim. As you can see, I can trim any selected parts or segments of the sketch that I made. You can undo the trim operation by using the Ctrl plus Z key on the keyboard. There's another tool called the corner trim. So first, I'll draw an arc from the outline. Then I'll draw a line from the outline. So here, I can apply the corner trim operation or the corner trim tool by clicking the corner trim and then click and hold the left mouse button and select the area. In this way, the arc and line will automatically extend and intersect and auto-join on a single point. If I click OK, the corner will be automatically trimmed and joined together.